we're almost to summer racing. We gotta go to the park for the crankshaft so we can turn it over.
Turn right into the parking lot. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
We'll park it. Let's park it here. Let's check it out.
Man, look at that store. That banner. At the Lightning McQueen. You got a whole setup right there. How much you get? Well, I don't have the price on there. We got heads. Valve covers. All neat stuff. Damn, look at these hood hinges. These are like 1600. I've seen them online. I was gonna get them for the 63, but I was like, nah. Here's all these starters. Damn. I think I have this one already, but I'm not gonna install it yet. All right, where you at? I guess for the pricing, you gotta just do the QR code. Let's go after. I'm gonna ask somebody about this. I also have one of those horns. I need a crankshaft adapter. Let's go ask customer service. Get this answer though. These look ready to go. What they got over here? Come on, let's go see what else they got.
Okay, Troy.
This is customer service, yeah. It's like the deal. Come on, see if we can find it. I got that. We got a car up there. Just hanging. That's a line, yeah. Nah, we could probably find this part ourselves. Like, be in the line. I just need to pick it up and go. But I'm just looking around first. Because I don't come to Summit that often. It's probably the second time. She got these wheels. Which one would look alright? On the 63. What do you think? Which one would look good on 63? None of these. I think that's what I had. Look, that's exactly what I had. The one that was in the fire. Hey, that third one on top. That's like the one I have from the fire. There's some steals out here.
I do like that blue one right there.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's the color.
This is. Oh, you see where we were trying to move yesterday? The one that I told you had teeth?
Uh-huh.
That's where starter goes. And tries to spin it. Damn, what if this was this badass if this was like a man cave or something. You know what I'm saying? Like just, or we live right beside here. I think I skipped a couple aisles. It's kind of like what we got in the car. It's a floor shifter. I don't know. Maybe we need to go to the other side where we first walked in. Maybe that's where we'll find it. What is it, clearance aisle or something? All right, you know what we're looking for, right? Yo. I don't know, I might put some Vortex. I'm on the 63. What do y'all think? Some Vortex heads? Jeez. Should be somewhere in here. Let's just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I don't know. I might have to put the phone down and look it up. And then you wait for your part to be called up. Stuff for the kids. Sure. So basically it's like 3 different stages to getting your part out here or anything. Except if it's like one of these, choose cash out. Hey, where we get those shirts at? What you got on?
Work here?
Oh, you got to work here?
Yeah.
See, they got a bunch of decals on them. Shit, I got to work here. I got a phone call. What? It's not working. No, man, those are just in case parts. You know you're gonna need them at some point. I don't know, I like these. Kind of like Dickies. They got the Oakleys. Yeah, so if y'all ever come up here, look, see, they come bring your part out here. First, you gotta come to sell. You make a line. Then they give you then they'll tell you to come out here to the cashier. And you pay the cashier. Then you get a receipt, then they'll call your name out. Damn, look at that. Badass. Let's look at the engine. Is your truck or what?
I wish it was.
Yeah. That's tight. Alright, let's go. So, we got a part for the 63. We got this. What do you got? Another book? Set in souvenirs. Yeah, just get one of the other. Just get one of that, one of those. Come on. What do we got? We're back from Summit. I got the part that goes on the crankshaft. That way we can turn it over by hand, you know, and try to force it and seize it. And try to take that one off from back there. We'll see if we can get a better angle. Probably put the camera down there or something. And we'll just go from there. that fan off. It's gonna be in the way.